friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about formulas which we are going to use in the data raptor. In data raptor, we can also query using formulas. We have a separate function for querying the records from any object. Here we can have the queries like count. We can get the count of any whatever the things we want. Like we need, if we want, here I'm showing the example for getting the number of contact for an account. It is similarly very similar to the SOQL, like select count from contact where account ID equal to this thing. We need to this is the extra part we are come across in this. Like here we need to give the index number, like 0 is the first place after the comma and 1 is the second place after the comma, like that. It will take according to this index number. And query will get, it is very similar to the SOQL. Whatever the query function we will write the query, it will get the records. And similarly some other with the same query function we can also use some like velocity variables, like $velocity.UserId means it will take the current logged in user as the value for this variable. Let's see each and every one in the org. First I am copying this one, count query. Here we'll use the same data raptor whatever used in the previous data raptor. I'm pasting this one, count query. Now I want to see how many contacts are there for this account. Let's see, in the related list we'll be having how many contacts are there. See, here we have, it will show the number of contacts here. So the same number we are going to get in the data raptor. See, we have 4 contacts here. Let's see how many contacts we'll get if I paste the same ID of the account. Better to use double quotes here. See, better to use double quotes. Just I am querying account. Count query is a function, and select count from contact. From contacts we are getting the count where account ID equal to whatever the thing is there on the 0th place. So it will while executing this will be coming here and it will be executing. Let's preview this. I'm going to preview this, so the output will be 4, as here we can see. Here we have 4, so it should show 4. See, it is showing as 4. Okay. And also we can have, like, suppose if you pass any name, also you can type AND condition and name equal to this you need to place 1, and after here you need to place a comma and you need to give name in the double quote. So with that name also that will be filtered. And now we'll use this function query. Query will get the all the things whatever there in the whatever matches to this query. Suppose query select name from account where billing state equal to CA, where the billing state is California, then this will be, that records will be fetched. See, these are the here we have multiple records. Previously till now we got only single record, but here we have multiple record. Whenever it is multiple record, it will be converting as array. And also we can keep here limits, like in limit 1, so it will be coming as 1. See, now it is came as 1, like that. We can also pass whatever the conditions we want, and this is same query function. I am using here $velocity.UserId. That means it will take the current logged in user. See, it will take my user and it will give the current user login name. So by this way we can identify which user logged in, or also we can use in the data raptor. And one more thing, these query functions, as this is an extract data wrapper, we can also query here. I can query whatever things I have placed here in the extract data wrapper. I can use here, but in some cases I want to use this query in like load data wrapper, and also in transform data wrapper, and also here. Let's see, can we use, because this is a load, it will only load the data, it will not fetch what the people think, but that is absolutely wrong. We can also fetch from here. See, this is a load data wrapper. I'm loading the data to the account, and let me paste the same thing. 1 second. See, let me paste the same thing here, querying. So one name will get from the account object, and I have mapped the output to the name of the account. Then if I preview this, then account has created. Let's see what is the name, because here it is, I have kept limit 1, it will get the limit 1 as here previously I have shown. Like that it should come. See, if you observe this here, now the record has created without error. That means we can also query from load data wrapper, and all. Let it load, and we'll see the transform. In the transform also we have like formula kind of thing here. Let's paste the same formula whatever we have pasted here, done here, where limit equal to 1, limit 1. Then let's execute this. Let's see what is the output for this. C, that means output has came as 1. That means here we understood that from transform data wrapper also we can query the things from the objects. See, here account has created with the name of the account. Whatever the queried output is gone to the name of the account. That means we can also load the data using these things. Now in the turbo data wrapper, as I told in my previous videos, for turbo data wrapper we don't have formula tab. That is the reason we are not going to use any formulas in the turbo extract data wrapper. Now this is very important thing which we need to remember, like what to can we query from load data wrapper, can we query the records from transform data wrapper. That means yes, we can query. In many interviews the people are asking nowadays, frankly I am also like asking the persons, try to remember these things. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.